Good morning, students. I am Jagat Singh Chokar. Welcomes you in our YouTube channel Math Zone. Today we have coming in front of you by taking our important chapter trigonometry, trigonophobia. ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है और इससे बच्चे बहुत घबराते हैं. तो लेट्स डिस्कस ऑन द our new topic trigonometry. What is the meaning of the trigonometry? First we discuss about that. Trigonometry is a Greek Latin word. It means three trigon and metron. Trigons means angles and metron means measurement. It means trigonometry means measurement of the angles and the sides of the right angle triangles. So now draw a right angle triangle A, B, C, right angle at B. So in this triangle, the side opposite the angle is called perpendicular. And the side lie on this angle is called base, on which the triangle is located, and the third side which join the perpendicular and base is called hypotenuse. We explain this topic very easily. And what is the relation of the sides of angles to the trigonometry? When we relate the sides and angles by the trigonometry, these are called trigonometry ratio. And now how the sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec are related to these sides or angles of the triangle. If we want to know by the angle theta the values of T ratios on this theta, then how they relate by this triangle on the table. One table I have prepared for you. Right here sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. These are the 6 values, and we write here perpendicular, base, perpendicular, hypotenuse, hypotenuse and base. How we learn it? P for Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bor. It means P means Pandit, B means base means Badri, P means again perpendicular, and Har means hypotenuse, and the base. So by this quotation you can learn it easily. Pandit Badri Prasad. H hypotenuse means Har Bor means again base. So if you have learned these quotations, then the 6 formulas you have learned easily. How we use perpendicular, base and hypotenuse relate to sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. If you need sine angles, then you find sine equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan means perpendicular upon base, and cot means base upon perpendicular, sec hypotenuse upon base, and cosec equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. You can easily know as sine is the reciprocal of cos. It means sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, and cosec is equal to 1 upon sine theta. Second, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Again last, tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So these are the relation of the reciprocal form. ये रेसिप्रोकल्स आपके 6 फार्मूले यहाँ पर हुए, और 6 फार्मूले आपके बन जाएंगे यहाँ से। साइन इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेनस, कोसेक अपॉन इक्वल टू हाइपोटेनस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर, cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, and sec will be equal to hypotenuse upon base. Similarly, in the same way, tan theta will be equal to perpendicular upon base, and cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. These are the 12 formulas which are simply you can learn by this table. And now the question is how we relate the triangles to the side in the questions. If one question is tan theta is equal to 5 upon 12, then in this question, in the triangle, right angle triangle, 5, tan will be equal to perpendicular upon base. Now 5 is the perpendicular and base is the 12. So then what is the hypotenuse? If you have hypotenuse side, then you can find all the trigonometry ratios 6 using Pythagoras theorem, because triangle is right angle triangle. So we use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is to be find 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square 25 plus 12 square 144. It gives 169, and 169 is the perfect square of 13. So AC is 13 centimeter. This is 13. Now you can find all the trigonometric ratios from this triangle. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. The perpendicular is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. Similarly, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and base is equal to 12 and hypotenuse is 13. The question is, if theta is not that place, if theta is on that place, we have to find angle A, then it will be change. Side perpendicular, then perpendicular will be the angle opposite the side, base will be perpendicular and perpendicular will be base, and hypotenuse will be same. Now sin theta will be perpendicular upon base, so perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and perpendicular is here 12 and hypotenuse will be 13. So sin A will be equal to cos theta, this angle cos, and from this angle sin will be give the same values. And now by this angle to find tan A, then perpendicular upon base, perpendicular will be 12 and base will be 5. According the angle, the side will be changed, base to perpendicular and perpendicular to base. If the angle is given in front of theta, then perpendicular will be, this side will be perpendicular and this will be base. But if you observe this angle, A side will be perpendicular and this side will be base. Hypotenuse will be same. By these formulas, you can easily solve the questions based on the triangles and trigonometry ratios. I hope you will understand it better and solve the questions effectively and easily.